Imagine having all the real-time data you could ever want from the factory floor on your computer in just a few weeks.
Imagine having your old equipment operate just as efficiently as your newer equipment.
Imagine having the ability to pinpoint operational, technical, and process deviation in real time.
Imagine having a second-by-second record of your manufacturing process for quality assurance and certification compliance.
Imagine having all the manufacturing efficiencies of a multi-billion-dollar company.
Imagine having all of this at a price you can afford. With SmartEYE by Ektron Corporation, you can stop imagine. Using SmartEYE, this agri-company is using data analytics along with simulations to optimize its hops drying process.
SmartEYE is not just software. Ektron installers can instrument your equipment with industrial-grade sensors. In fact, we have over 1,800 sensor options, making the amount and type of data we can collect almost endless. We can also collect data from newer machines using MT Connect. All of the data collected goes to Ektron's powerful industrial-grade edge computers with artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities, where the system creates a machine model of the optimal production run. All this power is stored in a small NEMA box, which fits discreetly on the factory floor. Without any effort on your part, the system is collecting real-time data, and all that data is available to you on your computer. So whether you want to check progress at a particular location, on a particular line, a particular machine, or even a feature on a particular machine, our hierarchical dashboards will give you all the information you need in real time. Moreover, with our subscription service, Ektron maintains the entire system for you. Any issues, just give us a call. We'll troubleshoot as well as repair or replace any faulty equipment. We can really monitor almost anything you want monitored. Equipment functionality, equipment uptime, equipment availability.
Product yield, product quality, product costs, down to the penny, including energy usage.
Production schedules, material waste, and environmental factors that affect product quality and machine performance.
Employee performance at the plant, line, or even machine level.
The list goes on and on. The fact of the matter is, you tell us what data you need and how you want to see it, and we'll customize SmartEYE to fit your needs.
Unlike many of our competitors who require you hire installers, purchase equipment, or purchase other services to make their solutions work, with SmartEYE, Ektron is the only vendor you'll need. Thanks to our partnerships with industry giants like Balluff, Microsoft, Intel, Arrow Intelligent Solutions, AMD, and others, we bring everything you need to the table. Sensors, cabling, networking hubs, our very own edge computers, and cloud access via Microsoft Azure as an option. And since we've been supplying ruggedized computers to the U.S. military, large governmental contractors, and several Fortune 100 companies for over 30 years, you can count on our industrial-grade edge computers with artificial intelligence and machine learning capabilities to hold up in even the most extreme industrial environments. While Industry 4.0 may seem overwhelming and out of reach to many manufacturers, we've made SmartEYE an affordable, out-of-the-box option. SmartEYE is completely scalable. You can start with one machine and slowly build up until your entire factory is online. We also have a no upfront fee subscription model, so you can get started without a heavy capital investment. Just give us a call or send us an email, and we'll get you started with a free, no obligation consultation with our engineering team. That said, if you need more information before taking the plunge, check out our website at www.ektron.com.